Get started learning Attune fast with a Hello World tutorial. Attune is a very simple SysOps automation and orchestration tool. Attune enables you to build automation processes with popular scripting languages that you're already familiar with, such as Bash and PowerShell. This demonstration is going to show you how to build a Bash Hello World script. I'm going to use a MacBook that you'll be using. You could point it at Linux if you wanted to. To get started, in the Design workspace in Attune, go to the Project dropdown and select a new project. We're going to create a blank project, and let's call that Hello World. When that's created, we can switch to the Hello World project. Projects are self-contained, so we want to create a blueprint now, and this is going to be a Hello World Bash blueprint. If we select that blueprint, we want to create just one step. We're going to print out an echo script. So we want to select the execute Linux script type. We'll call that execute Hello World Bash. Now we haven't got any parameters created. Up the top, we can select parameter, create a parameter. We need to create a Linux node parameter. As well as credentials. Ooh. Let's state that that's a Linux user. We can go back to this other one and edit that if we want. Hello World Linux node. Now we can populate those into our step. And the script we want to write if we save that, we're done. Our blueprint is ready. If we go to the plan workspace, we want to create a tree. Now under that tree, we want to create a plan. We can create the node. I'm going to go straight to the plan. I'm going to put the device name in here that we're going to run on, followed by the action. Now that I select that plan, down here we can select the blueprint we want to run in this plan. We can add multiple blueprints. If I select save, it'll now show the parameters that I need to populate with a value. We don't have any values created, so if we go up the top to create a value, we need a Linux node, which is the MacBook I'm working on. I'm just going to connect locally. And we will need credentials. I then need to enter the password for that user. Now we can populate our plan. So we select the node, and we select the credentials to use. Now that I've saved that, that plan is ready to run. If we go to run, select the job, reset the job, hit play, and if we watch that step, we will see the Hello World script executed. And there you have it. That's the job from design through to run.